Hello, everybody. Hello. Welcome to Animation Capstone. That's right. Welcome to week 10. We're almost there. We're ready to present our demo reels. We're right at the end. So excited to have you all here and really excited to take a look at what's going on. So I hope everybody's been taking a look at some of the assignments for week 11 and that you're presenting your demo reels live. So please take a look at that ahead of time. So that way, if you want to present either before a lecture or after it during your discussions, that's up, or during lecture or after a lecture, it's up to you. I'll discuss that during lecture tomorrow, which will be great. Speaking about that, you do have a lecture tomorrow on Tuesday, normal time, 6 o'clock Central, 7 o'clock Eastern, and then all your rubrics should be posted, so it'd be good. So this week, you got a couple things. You do have a discussion post this week, just posting your stuff and getting feedback for your stuff for this week. That would be really great for your assignment. And just kind of posting your demo reel right now. And that's due on Tuesday, so that'll be good for your initial post and your reply post on Saturday as always. But yeah, this week now we got to the point to where we've talked about it. We talked about marketing, we've talked about distribution, we've talked about building it, really setting up where everything's at. Now we're at the point where we're just editing and making it perfect. And that's really what we're doing. So now we just need to ask ourselves a few questions about assessing the demo reel, and that's really the big aspect. So really what we have this week is we're going to be talking about what to do about editing, just more detailed perspective. We're going to talk about how to assess areas and what to fix and how to make things look a lot more professionally, how to set up your video publicly. We're going to do that and where to set that up and what improvements you can make overall. That's really the big aspect that we're going to be focusing on this week and how to go about that. So yeah, that's the thing. Now, a lot of times when we're assessing the situation, we have to really take a look at four major aspects. We have to take a look at many things to look out for, but in reality, we got to be thorough. Is in really finding out what we can, because being thorough is going to help, right? The more detailed you are, the more critical you are about your stuff, the more that you're going to find mistakes and more you're going to be able to change things. So the more effort you put into it, the more it's going to really look professional and clean. And that way you can also have multiple ways to do what you want without having to worry about just focusing on this one element to figure it out. If not, that's the capability of it. So assessing your situation is really important. Now, you also have to ask yourself some questions before assessing the video. That's really the great thing. So first off, does each element meet your requirements of the video? Do you feel like there's any confusion anywhere? That's really a big thing. So as you're like looking through the video, you need to ask yourself, does it meet your requirements? Once you're done with the whole thing, you looked at it, you watched it, does it make sense? Does it make sense for you? And this is what you want to show your work. That's really the big thing. You need to ask yourself that. If not, you didn't really hit your goals that you wanted to do. Next, you need to ask yourself, do you feel like there's any confusion anywhere? Or there's any like issues or dilemmas? If that's the case, if you feel like you get confused anywhere in the reel, someone else is going to get confused. So you need to fix that. Another element that you need to ask, do you feel distracted by a certain element that causes you to turn it off, or you feel like you don't want to watch it anymore? Along with, does the pacing make sense? Is it too slow? Is it too fast? Is it too distracting? Is there things that just come out of nowhere that just distract from the work, when in reality the work makes sense? And so the timing and anything else doesn't really interrupt everything. That's really the key. And then finally, do you just get bored watching your own video? That's really aspects. The more you get bored, the more it's just not going to be interested for anybody else. You have to think about this. It's for other people watching. It's not for you. And if you have frustrations watching it, other people are going to have frustrations watching it. So you need to ask yourself these questions and really getting into them in detail. That's the really big thing. All right, other than that, that's pretty much it. Just to start off the first week for week 10, pretty much it. So just go ahead and take a look. I'll see everybody for lecture on Tuesday, but other than that, that's all I got. Be safe, have fun, enjoy. Hope everybody has a great week, and I will see everybody for lecture on Tuesday. Enjoy. Have a good one. Bye-bye.